already videotaping. Sweetie, get in the picture. Okay. All right. Hi, vlog. Oh my God!
Hi guys. You're so much taller than I thought. Is this your first time meeting her? Yes, this is my first time. Hi, hello. Thanks for coming. Thanks for coming. Getting ready and stuff. You're making your own vlog?
Yeah, I've got with this new phone. You know, I'm like.
Oh, did you get the 13?
13 Pro.
Taylor just got the 13. Allie just sent me a picture of her and Paige on the airplane. We had to get one. They usually have one that says mom on it because I have it for Utah, but they don't have it here. And then I thought, well, I could just buy one with the tiger on it, but then I'm like, I don't want to carry it all day, so that's why I was asking about when and then.
Hold it. Just a minute.
Okay, we're gonna miss.
Okay, hold on a sec. Okay, you gonna go set up? Yeah.
Did you wet yourself?
Just like, I don't know. How do you want to set it up?
Well, I was gonna do something like this.
Oh, you don't want to like. You want to do something like that?
With his teammates, but they were so much fun, which the players now don't get to do because it's in New York and very on TV.
They just bring the finals. It's a TV show now.
It's a TV show now. It was so special to be here to share it with all the players.
Talk about that trip to New York. That had to be really, really special.
This
So-
is where Tiger Walk takes
This is
place.
gotcha. Oh, so
Totally.
you understand because the team hasn't come by
The
yet.
teams arrive here, right? They do their walk into the stadium. They go in through there.
Got it.
Did you scope it out?
I don't know. I think the van's gonna come through here at some point. Do you want to go ask somebody who looks like they might know?
Well, you know where we were at that whatever that hall was.
Yes.
There were saxophone players there, so it's like they were there.
They-
Unless that's maybe.
Jose had talked to them,
Uh-huh.
and they were freshmen, so they weren't asked to do the Tiger Walk because they're too young. But the Tiger Walk was already at 8:30 this morning, and it's currently 9:30. So, but I still feel like that band might march through here.
Yeah. Well, why are people?
standing
Yeah.
around. I mean, they're standing around for a show.
Exactly. All right, yeah. I'm gonna go grab a few crowd shots.
Like Sadie asked her.
Hello. Yeah.
This is your 2021 Auburn University Marching Band. He is the divisional favorite, Glory Fuller. At this time, please stand and sing along as we present God Bless America, conducted by Marching Band Director Dr. Corey Spurlock. Standing with hats off, hands in their hearts, and veterans rendering a hand salute for the presentation of the colors of the United States and the playing of our national anthem.
What so proudly we hail at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets' red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave? Oh, the
Fourth down. Oscar Cap in the punt formation. Austin Williams, lead for Mississippi State.
Was that kid from earlier?
It's right now.
One.
The pass attempt broken up.
Jenna walked from her apartment. Oh.
For them to get to the restaurant.
Oh, do you have enough people on this
Is it Jenna or is this? Tonight is really good. So that's a place called Piercy's. That place is free. So we're gonna get there tonight. And then the last time, which I wasn't a fan of, was that bow and arrow. So I didn't find that to be that great. Oh my gosh, there's
They're actually called the Loos now.
the Loos now. Yeah, they've gone. Yep. Oh, yes.
I know. Another hug for the vlog. Hello. I did? Is your hair curled just from the picture? What the heck?
Say three words to each other. No, they love each other. But they both.
All right. Some Rushmore Valley Pinot, huh?
Yes, sir.
Wonderful. 2019, yeah, posted. So who's all different?